Welcome to Teacher Trivia. Test your teaching and education knowledge. Which of the following describe designated areas with materials for students to create and innovate? A. Differentiation places. B. Inquiry tables. C. Maker spaces. Or D. Learning stations. And the answer is maker spaces. Maker spaces are a new movement in education. Districts have been incorporating maker spaces into their libraries, broken down school buses, cafeterias, and other places. Students are given autonomy as schools provide 3D printers and other types of project technology. If you got this answer correct, excellent work. If you would like to learn more about maker spaces, check out the video in the top right-hand corner. Thank you, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe.